Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Business Manager, an ad account, and the page all linked. Next, choose Carousel as your ad format inside Ads Manager and pick a campaign objective that matches the value you want to drive. Upload 310 images or videos and map each card to its headline and destination URL so tracking works. Once done, set budget and schedule. Make sure your pixel and event tracking are active so you can measure which card performs best. Now focus on detailed execution. Design each carousel card with a clear headline, concise description, and a distinct CTA to guide clicks. Use recommended aspect ratios, square or vertical, so creative isn't cropped, and consider putting a short video on the first card to boost engagement. Then layer targeting, custom audiences, interest filters, and 1% 5% lookalikes, and set placements. While uploading, add UTM tags and verify card order. That way, finish by reviewing ad preview, conversion settings, and attribution window, then publish. After launch, monitor CPC, CTR, conversion rate, and ROAS, pause cards that underperform, and reallocate budget to winners. If early results are weak, switch the primary card, tweak headlines, or test different landing pages. Creative fatigue is common. Make iterative changes every 48-72 hours and use /B tests to validate winners. If tracking fails, check pixel events and URL parameters. That usually resolves missing conversions quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.